Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and today I have a very long-awaited opening. I fell in love with this doll on Ellie Neffret's channel quite a while ago, and she took this little doll hiking and took pictures, and I just fell in love with it. Never thought too much of it. And then Karen at Starch and Stitches also had this doll, and it was so cute in her live, peeking around other things, like it was looking at the camera from around the back. So I went and ordered one. So here is my little Kruseling, Luna, who I have waited a long time for. All right, let's go ahead and get her out and take a look. I'm hoping, I know he can. I want Darren to make some little shoes for us all. And Tracy from Eclectic Wanderings was also at the live, and guess what? She ordered one too. She got Joy the cowgirl. I didn't know there was a cowgirl. So we all have these little Kruseling dolls now. Oh gosh, she's cute. They are articulated. Well, I know they are because I see Ellie's moving around all the time. There we go. There we go. Isn't she adorable? Just the cutest. Oh, I'm thrilled. I really like her. Ellie and Karen, here she is. Thank you for pushing me to get this little doll. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.